Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 3.1% in the last session, after gaining as much as 4.2% during the session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic indicator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis.
Moving on to world financial news.
The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has decided not to object to Ripple Labs' request to seal the identities of certain non-parties and Ripple employees in the Dauber motions, as its lawsuit against Ripple drags on. Oil prices were mixed as investors balanced expectations that OPEC will cut output to support prices against concerns sparked by Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, saying the United States will face slow growth for some time. Central bankers face a more challenging economic landscape than they have experienced in decades and will find it harder to root out high inflation, top multilateral officials and monetary policymakers have warned.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
The U.S. consumer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The U.S. S&P Case-Shiller home price indices at 1300 hours GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's import price index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's industrial production at 2350 GMT. Japan's large retailer sales at 2350 GMT.